Hello again. Let's start discussing typical big data batch pipeline. So in this pipeline we have multiple phases. So first phase is, let's say, data ingestion. Second phase is data storage. Third phase is data processing. Fourth phase, you can say, we have data analysis. After that we have data serving or data visualization. So these are high level categories that we just mentioned. Now let's see the tools which are commonly used in each of these phases. So one is Scoop. So Scoop is SQL Hadoop, short form of that. Scoop is derived from this. So this is Scoop. Data storage is using like HDFS or some other NoSQL database, but I'm just writing HDFS here. It's a file system, distributed file system. Processing can be done through Spark, Core, or many companies they use Spark SQL also for processing. Data analysis can also be done through Spark SQL or Hive or Impala. There are many options. So similarly here you can assume we have BI tool or some REST based interface through which you want to serve your data to external systems or your enterprise systems, which are basically your downstream systems. So hope this gives you a high level idea about typical big data batch pipeline. After this we will be discussing typical big data streaming pipeline.